Good morning. It is 7 o'clock in the morning and we are up because Obi's got a play date with one of our members in the Yammi's Adventures, and I hope he's subscribed to our channel too. Jeff, if you're not subscribed, you need to make sure you're subscribed. But we're going to go meet up with Jeff and his dog at the dog park, and we're going to go play, and Obi's going to have a play date. I've been wanting Obi to have play dates to play with other dogs while I'm around, only because he's so protective of me that he gets a little nasty. He doesn't bite at dogs, but he barks and he just acts like a little fool when another dog comes around me. So I've been wanting him to do this where he plays with other dogs with me around, so that way he gets used to other dogs being around me and him. But I think he's going to have fun, and I figured might as well take you. It's the same dog park I took him to a few weeks ago, and we're going to go have some fun. So let's go have some doggy fun. Oh yeah, and by the way, he is Team Fluff for the Super Bowl, or for the dog bowl. For the puppy bowl, he's Team Fluff, not rough, because he's fluffy. He's got a fluffy butt. Aren't you? You're Team Fluff. Yeah, he is. He just doesn't seem excited about it for some reason. Probably because it's too early. We are at the doggy park, and there's Obi. He's got friends on the other side of the fence here. Hey, Obi, you want to go say hi to your friends? Come on. Come on. Go over there and say hi.
Yes, sir. Bye, buddy. See ya. Have a good day. See ya.
Here's a new doggy. Is that your friend? He's getting too excited seeing the doggies. You gonna go in their tube thing? Come on, Bubba, wanna go in the tube? Come on. Hey, I got a cookie for you. You want a cookie? Here, go get a cookie. Did you grab it? No, he left it in there. Go get it. Go get the cookie. You don't want the cookie.
Blossom.
Hi, babies. Hi. Hi. Well, hello there. Hi.
Hey, good morning.
Oh. Obi, you got a friend? Oh, he wants to sniff your bottom. You playing? Ooh. Getting too close to me.
How are you today?
Good, how are you? Obi's got a friend, that's Blossom. There you go. You playing with Blossom? Lily just, where's Lily at? Lily's over there. She just wants treats out of my pocket. She likes me because of my treats. What can we say? Hi, Dory. Dory. Huh. Hi, Dory. Hi. You looking for treats too?
Check to see if there's any treats over there. Nope, no treats there.
No. You didn't even pee. You dropped a dribble. You dropped a dribble. There's water over there, Obi. When we first brought him out here when he was little, there was a hawk flying around. He was just this little thing, so.
Oh, yeah, we keep careful.
Yeah, we followed him and kept him close to us the whole time.
When I got Blossom, she was 5 weeks old. She was super tiny too. I had to keep an eye out for vultures and hawks and eagles.
Yeah. Are you telling Blossom off? Now, how old is Lily?
Lily's 9.
9, okay.
You're doing.
And Obi just turned 4.
Okay. Hey.
Uh-oh. Don't want you by his daddy. Don't want you by her daddy. Ooh. What? Blossom? Or Dory? It's okay. Blossom's okay.
You ever go to like forever vintage or Lakewood Antique
Yes.
Mall?
Yep. Hello, Sunny. This is Sunny. Sunny's a half Papillon and half Chihuahua. And she's a pretty girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're a pretty girl, Sunny. All right, don't come to me. It's okay. You're not sure about the camera on you? Are you camera shy? Oh, you must be camera shy. And there's Sadie over there. And then Blossom, Lily, and Dory went over to the other side. And there's Boo.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
Uh-oh, here we go. What do you think? What do you think of Sunny? Is she pretty? Huh?
You really should have worn your other shoes. I was going to tell you that, but
Yeah, I was going to put the black ones on and I didn't.
I guess you're going to throw them in the wash. They should wash easy.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been stepped on.
The little mini one with the little ears and the
Yeah.
little tail. She's what will be next. Yes, right. You are Schnauzy. You are.
Yeah. She's 12 years old.
Yep, she is.
Sadie's 12, Sunny's 6.
Yep.
You're 2 years older than Obi. You want to see the camera? Okay. Obi, are you having fun? Huh? Tell everybody how much fun you're having. Yeah? Obi's making a friend on the other side of the fence.
Okay, let's check it out. The dog's like, what the hell? I don't care. Like, I'm going to go this way. You don't care either? Okay, you don't care. What? What are
Hi,
you
pretty
doing?
girl.
What's the matter?
Okay, Obi said, I've had enough.
Says, hey, I've got a report. And it goes that way.
There goes Sunny. Oh.
Sadie! Oh. Sadie! Why would you do that? Were you just waiting for a moment?
Oh! Well, we dropped Obi off at home to go pick us something for Big Tom's. And it's a diner, and they have a lot of food to pick from. There's a really, really big menu of food. There's chicken, steak, home-style cooking food, hamburgers, so many things that just don't know what to pick from.
The next thing she did, choir rehearsed for a couple months and sang one
You're
song.
having a hard time picking out too, aren't you? I think you can still get breakfast all day. I don't think I want breakfast. I think I'm between patty now or fish.
Yeah, I think I'm going to Patty Melt. Do you want to appetizer or no?
Go with the fish and chips then. Because it's a white fish, so. It's not gonna be fish and tasty, so. Here, let's just show you our menu. It's not bad. For fish and chips, it's only $9.99 right there. And it comes with chips and tartar sauce. And then you got desserts to pick from.
What position, I don't know. I don't know what you do. I gotta
Yep, lots of yummy things. They got a hamburger challenge here. Yeah, it's a 2-pound burger and fries for $19.99. You get a t-shirt and your picture on the wall if you can finish it. Boo said he could do it. I said, I don't think you could. That's just way too much.
Too bad 2 people can't get it.
Yeah, I know. If 2 people could order it and get it, you know, $20, it might work. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the fish and chip. So Boo ordered the patty out and I got the fish and chips. Excited? He's not excited. Oh my goodness, you're not gonna believe this. I'm seriously not gonna believe the amount of food I just got. Fish and chips, look at that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of fish. And look at all these fries. We ordered some buffalo wings. And that's a tangy buffalo. And then we got a patty melt. And french fries. How's that wing?
7 o'clock in the morning.
It's good. Alright, I'm just about to bite into the wing. I took some off. I had to dip it into the buffalo sauce because of the, blue cheese because of the buffalo sauce. It gets a little too tangy for my mouth, so blue cheese cuts it down.
Evidently, he is in a really good house because he's been doing it.
That's really good. I like the wings. We're supposed to get high, we got sick.
You have to have it mild, and then you hold it for an hour, and you laugh, and you want to have it out.
But there's no way I'm going to be able to eat all this fish and chips. He will be going home with me.
So how long have you been at hospital?
I'll be eating fish and chips during the Super Bowl.
Sloppy Joe's.
Sloppy Joe. We decided to do something a little different, so we're going with Sloppy Joe's for food to eat during the Super Bowl. We went to go buy some wings, and they were expensive. They were really expensive. Like, I priced us out of wings.
That's because they want you to a restaurant. They want you to go to a restaurant.
Well, there's a bunch of restaurants that have the special out where it's $1 a wing, 50 wings for $50.
Yeah.
So the going price on wings are now in fucking weeks. So enjoy them. Alright, so we just left the restaurant. Food was really good. We did take home a lot of food. I mean, for $10, they gave me, that food was enough to feed 2 people. We could have eaten on that meal. I didn't realize I was going to get that much fish and chips. So, we have leftovers. So, that cooked Sloppy Joe's for the Super Bowl. We might just eat leftovers. Because you got leftovers too.
Yeah, and then we got chips and cheese, some cheese.
And some crackers.
And I think we have some the little sausages, the
little salami things.
Yeah, that's fine.
It'll be an easy dinner.
As long as I got something to drink, I'm alright.
I think you got some Kool-Aid in there.
I gotta have the Kool-Aid.
I think you got a pop still too.
Yeah.
our day for us. How exciting is that? We took Obi to the dog park. He had a good time. I bet you he's home sleeping. Yeah, I bet you he's home sleeping because
We're driving
he
through a
played hard.
We're driving through a snowstorm right now, so.
Yeah, we have a snowstorm coming on us right now. You can tell. Look at it. Look at the snow. It's green. Just kidding.
Where's me going?
Who wanted to wash his car? It got dirty yesterday. And we had to drive down a dirty road for our surprise for next Saturday. I'm still so excited for that. So Boo's car is nice and clean. And now we're going to go home to the little man and check on him. All right, guys, that was our day for us. I hope you enjoyed our day. I mean, we had fun, didn't we?
We have fun.
Oh, okay. Boo was going to start singing for you. That's what I thought you were going to sing. If you guys heard that, you know what he's talking about. All right. As always, guys, thank you for being here, and we love you all. Bye.
I can go for a chocolate candy bar right about now.
Ooh, chocolate candy bar?
Yes.
Ooh, might have to stop. Bye.